Let's make the coziest vegan miso soup that's full of umami and ready in under 20 minutes. Start by adding 8 cups of vegetable broth and a piece of kombu to a pot. Bring it to a boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer gently for 10 minutes. Remove the kombu and toss in sliced shiitake mushrooms and cubed tofu. Next, add chopped bok choy. Scoop about half to 1 cup of hot broth into a bowl and whisk with miso paste until smooth. This step makes sure the miso blends beautifully and doesn't clump in the pot. Gently stir the soup and do not boil once the miso is in. High heat can make the miso bitter, and no one wants that. Finish with fresh sliced green onions. Stir to combine, and you've got a warm, nourishing bowl of miso soup that's restaurant-level good. Pro tip: I use 1 tablespoon of miso for every cup of broth, but adjust it to your taste. And yes, it's supposed to look cloudy. That's miso being miso. Visit Nuts and Twigs for more details.